Hey, what's up everybody? It's RC and welcome to Marketplace Videos. So we're going to head out and do some errands, so let's do it. Still raining a little bit. About a mile ago there goes my buzzer. I should put my seatbelt on. Okay, maybe not. No, but you should, seriously. But right now I'm about a mile away from where it all rained down like cats and dogs. And you saw the cats and dogs. So now it's calmed down a little bit, but still it's sprinkling. It's a good thing I didn't wash my car yesterday. So I need to stop by the bank and then go to my insurance company. I need to make my final payment with them.